Alright, so I'm going to be demonstrating my lab. This is going to be for Module 3, the use of selective and differential media lab manual. I have already disinfected the area. I've already labeled the bottom of my agar plates and made the cultures. So now we just have to mix them. I'm going to start with, this is the Micrococcus luteus. I have my inoculation loop. Put this down here for now. I have my culture. It's cloudy. What I'm going to do is just roll it in between my hands and mix it up a bit. Alright, this should be good. Tap it a little bit. You can see that it's cloudy. And there's a little bit of sediment that was down at the bottom and now it's starting to circulate. I'm going to take off my cap and burn the lip of the tube. The wick on this candle is quite short, so I feel like the big challenge is not putting out the candle. Now I take my inoculation loop, grab some of the culture, burn the lip, put my cap back on, and I have this is set in 3 segments. I just have to make sure I'm putting it in the right one. Okay. So I'm just going to spread. It's a little bit tricky to see the lines from this side. I'm just going to spread it along the top. Make a bit of a zigzag shape and try not to puncture it. And then I'm going to close it up and put it down. And then I'm going to dispose of my loop. Now, I'm going to just focus on one plate at a time. Now I'm opening my E. coli culture. Well, actually, before I do that, I'm going to shake it up again, mix all of the sediment. Give it a little bit more of a shake. You can see it being a little bit cloudy. The sediment is mixing through. I'm going to take the cap and be careful not to put it on the table. I'm also going to be careful not to put out this flame. And now I take, I might have to flame this one again. Just to be safe, I'm going to flame the lip again just because that took a while. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the E. coli culture and then I flame the loop again, close it up, find the correct segment on the bottom of this. It's right here. Oh, and I just blew out the candle. And then I mix it along the top of the agar, being careful not to puncture it. And then I will dispose of this, put the cap back on, and light my candle again. Try not to burn my glove off my hand. Oof. All right. Now, third one for this plate. which, by the way, this is the Levine EMB agar single plate. All right. I'm going to mix it up. Tap, tap, tap. This is the Staphylococcus epidermidis. Epidermidis. Can you tell that I'm learning these names? I'm going to mix it up. Take the cap. Oh, before I do that, actually, learn from my mistakes. I'm going to take out the inoculation loop first. At least make it a little bit easy. I'll just take out the end. Make it easy to get to. Now, this is mixed. Take off the cap. Burn the lip. I put out the fire again. It's okay. It will work fast. All right, and then the third and final segment of this plate. I just want to make sure I get the right name, even though I just said it. All right, it's right here. I'm going to lift up and mix it in this third segment. All right, so this plate is good to go. And then I will dispose of the loop. And now we have these two plates left. We have the Matt Conkey agar single plate and the Manitoul salt agar single plate. I am going to get 3 inoculation loops ready to go. I'm going to light my candle again. Let's see how many times I have to do this. Crazy candle. All right. Now we're going to be using the same cultures. I'm going to mix it again. Light it under the flame. Hopefully it doesn't go out. Grab my sample. Light it again. Put the cap back on. Check the name. Microludius, okay. It's right here. And then I'm going to mix in a zigzag. I believe this was called the fishtail method. All right. Dispose of that. On to my next culture. Mixy, mixy. This is the E. coli. All right. Have my sample. Find where E. coli is on here. There we go. I lift it up. And fishtail method over my specimen. All right. Last one. The It's a hard one to say. Staphylococcus. Well, there goes my flame. There we go. I am just paranoid about getting it the wrong spot, even though it's pretty clear that there's only one section that needs to be done. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. The last is the mannitol salt agar single plate. We're going to go through our 3 cultures again. Battery is telling me it's about to die. Hopefully I can make it through this video. Alright, this is the macrococcus. It's right here. I'm just going to spread it on, do the fishtail method. Okay. Getting my inoculation loops ready this time. And the flame is out again. Might actually just do the lighter method again. There we go. This is the E. coli. Yeah, that candle does not want to work with me. E. coli is right here. Nice fishtail method going. I'm getting the hang of this here. Hopefully. There we go. One more. I'm going to just use the lighter this time because the candle seems to have failed me. There we go. And our last segment. All right. All three plates are filled with their culture. And now we are going to just wait for them to incubate, and I will update you with pictures. All right, thank you so much.